Hold up, Samsung might actually be cutting prices this year. And the leaks don't stop there. Samsung's Galaxy S26 series is expected to arrive in late February, and a fresh wave of leaks has now revealed European pricing details along with a first look at Galaxy S26 Ultra cases in multiple colors. Galaxy S26 series prices for Europe. Trusted leaker Roland Quant shared new pricing information for the Galaxy S26 lineup on Bluesky. According to the leak, Samsung may be holding prices steady in Europe despite rising DRAM and NAND memory costs. Both the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus are expected to launch at the same prices as their predecessors. Interestingly, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could actually be cheaper than last year in certain configurations. The expected European pricing puts the Galaxy S26 at €899, while the Galaxy S26 Plus is listed at €1,169. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to start at €1,469 for the 256 GB variant, rise to €1,569 for the 512 GB variant, and go up to €1,829 for the 1 TB model. These figures are based on early retail data and could still change before launch. Galaxy S26 Ultra case leak. Samsung tipster Alpha Turk has also shared an image showing what appear to be official Kindsuit cases for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The leaked image reveals 6 bold color options: orange, rust, black, blue, olive, and white. The cases closely match the phone's rumored design language. The back features a prominent camera bump with 3 additional cutouts beside it for the telephoto camera and LED flash. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, Samsung might be delivering both better value and fresher style with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. What do you think about the pricing and the case colors? Drop your thoughts in the comments.